Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. You can guess because of this makeup. So if today is your first time, click on the subscription button. Stay, because in this channel we talk about self-care, makeup hacks, self-development, and everything in between. So if this is something you like, I know it's something you like, click on the subscription button and remain here. Okay, so let's get right into it on how we achieve this flawless makeup look. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, first off, because we used moisturizer, so our brows is having some oil residue. So what I normally do is I use my white powder, just to give it a matte finish, to allow my pencil come out well. Okay, so I use my Davis pencil in the color 18 to draw my eyebrows. Okay, so I go in with my brow brush. I just brush it up nice and simple. Then my well sharpened brush, not starting from the beginning, starting, put your hand inside a little, then you draw. I repeat the same thing from here. Then I shade it a little bit with light strokes inside. I go back to the front. I give it light strokes upwards. Okay, so we are done with the brows. Then I still go back with my brow brush. I brush up just to blend in the eye pencil with the brows. Okay. So if you want brow tutorials, it's in my other videos. You can check out my other videos for your brow tutorials. Okay, so we are done with our brows. I'll repeat the same steps here in this same eye. Okay, so we are done with drawing our brows. Up next will be our concealer. I'm using the Pro Concealer in the medium shade. So it has an applicator already at the tip. I just apply a little. I do the same thing in this other eye. If you notice, I'm not applying it all over because it's very light. I concealer brush to spread it all over the eyes, all over the brows. So I repeat the same thing on this other eye. I blend it. Okay, I'm through with the brows and the concealer on the brows. So up next will be blending out with so the areas that I apply the concealer, I just use my powder to give it a matte finish. Up next will be our foundation. Today's video, I will be using this foundation, the Fit Me foundation. Okay, the lesser the better. I'm done with my foundation. Then for my concealer, I'll still be going with this, my Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll be taking little, okay. For blending, I will be using my blending brush, foundation blending brush. First of all, I blend out my foundation. Blend. Concealer. I use this brush to blend out my concealer. All blended out. I'm done blending the foundation and the concealer. So up next will be, has 12 different colors. So I'll be using it for my cheek. I'll be using the color, I'll be using this color red. It's the same thing. Then I blend. Blend upwards towards the hairline. Okay, repeat the same thing here. So we're done with our blush. Up next will be our contour. I'm not using any liquid products for our contour. I'll be using this, my powder palette for our contour. So I'll be using this second to the darkest shade to do our nose contour. Drag it towards the eye and we're done. I repeat the same thing. Drag it towards the eye. Then blend. To contour around the face. Underneath the cheekbone. And here. The jawline. I blend with the blending brush. Okay, so up next will be our powder. So I'll be I'll be using this shade for my powder. I'll be using this for my under eye, the lightest shade for my under eye, then this for my powder around my face. Let's go first for round our face, then for the under eye. And then same here. Okay, we're done with our mascara. This time lips, I'm going with my brown eyeliner. Okay, so we'll be doing a nude. We'll be using this color. We'll be using a concealer to add some nude colors. So you can decide to leave it like this, or you go a step further by adding your lip gloss. This look is okay. So we're done. I'll be using my setting spray. Okay, so we're done with today's look. Rate this makeup look, guys. So this is how you do your everyday makeup. It's not hard. This makeup thing is not hard. So just get on the boat. Let us try. Just try. The more you try, the better you become. Practice make perfect. Okay? Thank you so much for this video. Thank you for watching to the end. Thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye for now. Makeup check. So this is currently 5:30. This is how you do your makeup. It's in all shape all day. Very simple and easy. Do it yourself. Okay? So have a nice day. Bye.